Guys, this is Pixel Fold and it is first foldable smartphone that is launched by Google. Guys, today we are going to review it, so let's start with unboxing. Guys, after unboxing, first thing in the box is smartphone. Keep aside for a while, we will discuss it later. Afterward, there is some documents which include a SIM ejector tool. Then there is Type-C to Type-C cable and a USB Type-A to Type-C converter. So this was the all box content. Now we are going to discuss smartphone, but before that, please don't forget to press the like and subscribe button. Guys, starting from the design, in the center you will see Google branding, and moving on to the top you will see big camera module which include triple camera system, and here overall back is made by glass material and the outer display is also made by glass material, but the inner display is made by plastic material. Guys, in this shape smartphone thickness is 5.8 mm and overall smartphone weight is 283 gram. So this weight and thickness is normal for the foldable smartphone. Guys, let's move to our display. Here you will see 5.8 inches OLED cover display which support Full HD plus resolution along with HDR and 120Hz refresh rate as well. Guys, here inner display is 7.6 inches that support 1.5K resolution along with HDR10 plus and 120Hz refresh rate. Guys, here inner display bezels are thicker, but you can say overall display is average. Guys, let's move toward Pixel Fold performance. Here you will see Android 13 out of the box along with Google Tensor G2 chipset that is based on 5nm technology, and for gaming you will see Mali G710 graphics as well. Guys, for RAM only one option 12GB is available, and about memory type only UFS 3.1 option is available. So overall this performance is not that much good, but you can say it is a Google smartphone, so you can easily get latest update about Android and security updates. Guys, moving toward Pixel Fold camera, you will see triple camera system at the rear which include 48 megapixel main camera, 10 megapixel telephoto and 10 megapixel ultra wide as well. Guys, these cameras support HDR panorama, and with these cameras you can record 4K on 60 FPS. Guys, let's talk about smartphone connectivity as well. Here you will see Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS and NFC as well, but you will not find radio and 3.5mm jack. Guys, let's move toward Google Pixel Fold last part, that is battery. Here you will see 4800 mAh battery that support wire and wireless charging both as well. Guys, according to my point of view, overall this smartphone is just average, and I think Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 can easily beat him. So must check out Galaxy Z Fold 5 as well, and if you like this video then please press the like and subscribe button.